Hi guys, welcome again. Next up is the Mavic Air clone. As you all know, we've been having a fun day today, and it's been awesome with all these drones. And the Mavic Air clone is the next up on the list. As you can see there, I lost one of its prop guards, so well, just because it drifted wildly the last flight, I'm gonna keep 3 on, and I'm gonna test the camera today for the first time, so hopefully it works perfectly. All right guys, let's go. Camera is on. It seems to be working all right. Yep. All right. Let's hope to have a safe flight, and let's go. Oh yeah. It's stable than the first flight or the last flight we had. Everything seems to be working all right, as you can see. Okay. All right. That's good. Yeah, much better today. I'm impressed, given all the troubles we had the last flight. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Oh, it's drifting away a little bit. Oh, let me just land it. For some reason, it just started drifting away, and all I could do was just land it and not go crash into somebody's window or something here. But it was pretty much flying good. Oh well. Oh, and the camera is stuck, so I wonder what causes that. Let's take off from my palm. Oh, it's just drifting. For some reason, it just stopped working properly, just stopped flying normally, and it drifted away. And I tried taking off from my palm, and it just drifted. So I guess it still has that problem with calibration and trimming. So for now, I'm just gonna fly it like this without calibrating it or trying to trim it. I'm just gonna have fun. But next flight, if I don't crash and break something, I will calibrate before flying. Oh yeah. Still drifting. Oh no. It is a struggle. Huh. Oh. Man. And for some reason, the left joystick is the right and the right joystick is the left. So if I try to go to the right, it goes to the left, and if I try to go to the left, it goes to the right. I don't know what caused that, so I just had to land it. And let's try to take off again. This is one hell of a flight. This one is for free, guys. Oh no. It has lost all its stability, and it's doing the same thing. Left is right, right is left, front is back, back is front, or something like that. Oh no. Oh, this is a rough flight, guys. Hope you all have your seatbelts on. Wow, it just crashed. So, ay. And I lost one of my propeller. Oh Lord, hope I can find it. Oh well. This is something. One heck of a flight. Lost one of the propellers, and I'll have to look for it. It came with 4 spare props, so if I don't find it, I'll just have to put another one on. But for now, I can't find where it is. So guys, please like, comment below, subscribe if you've not subscribed, and see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.